up, y'all? It's your girl, Dr. Nina, and I know I've been gone for a little while, but your girl had to take a much needed summer break. But now your girl is back with her regular scheduled programming with my KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid, because y'all know I am queen of the quick meals. And in the past and on today, I'm partnering with HelloFresh to bring you today's video to show you some of the quick, easy, meatless meals that I've prepared using some of their awesome meals. So with all the traveling I've been doing this summer, I've cut back to about 90% vegan, allowing myself to have some vegetarian food as well. So HelloFresh has really come in handy for me because it's an easy subscription-based service. It allows you for a very reasonable price to cut down on your meal prepping and cooking time, as each meal takes about 30 minutes. I don't even have to worry about getting a lot of items from the grocery store at all, as the most I usually use is my own olive oil, salt, and pepper. I also find that it's good for almost everybody. So if I'm entertaining folks and I want to order a little extra, I can, and it feeds even the pickiest of eaters. They offer bomb vegetarian options, which I'll be showing you guys today, as well as a classic plan and a family option. With my hectic lifestyle, I love that I can prepare healthy and nutritious foods and also slow down and speed up my subscription as much as I would like. If you find yourself interested while watching this video today, make sure you head on over to HelloFresh.com and use my promo code DrNina60, which will give you a total of $60 off, which breaks down to $20 off your first 3 boxes. So let's go ahead and get into these quick and easy meatless meals. Make sure you thumbs up this video if you like it, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel and also my vlog channel. Make sure that you come back on all Thursdays and some Sundays for video uploads, and also be sure to turn on that notification bell so you know when I upload. Meal 1 is the salsa verde enchiladas, and I opted for the meal for 2 and often opt for the meal for 4 when I'm entertaining. Either way, you get plenty of food, and I usually have a bit left over even after preparing my meals. The pretty cool thing is that even the worst of cookers should have no problems with HelloFresh. They make it so easy, step by step. Every ingredient has its own instruction for preparation, including the vegetables, cutting them down like I am here with the pepper and the scallions. And I'm working with things that I wouldn't always be able to work with, like a poblano pepper. Like, I feel like I'm actually up in here being a chef. So it's pretty cool. And then once you're done with that, you have direct instructions on even how to heat up your vegetables, what order to do that in, how to properly brown and cook them, how long you should cook them, and even you can look forward to only spending about 30 minutes doing that. Even with me filming this, it did not take me long to do. I even have instructions on how to pour in the sauces, pour in the juices from the beans, those types of things, and how long to even fry or cook those up as well. I had never even mashed my own beans. I usually either bought them that way or someone else prepared it. So this was pretty cool to see how to mash my own beans and use them in the place of using any meat product or anything like that. Not only do I feel like this makes it simple, but also it helps me in the future with any other meals that I desire to prepare. So I've never thought about being able to make enchiladas from scratch, but now I feel like I'm good at doing it, and it's much more simple than I imagined. And because I like to entertain, it also gives me more options for my guests, and because it's meatless, they can enjoy vegetarian type options instead of having to have like vegan food that I might have. It also gives me other options, and when I want to take a break, it gives me an option there as well. So I'm able to prepare everything from the sauces to rolling the enchiladas on my own, baking them up and making them look beautiful, adding on sauces, and voila, y'all, this was so easy and I had to taste it. It was delicious. The next meal was the 1-pan mushroom ravioli gratin, and guys, this one had as few as 4 main ingredients, including mushrooms, mushroom ravioli, thyme, parmesan, onion, stock, breadcrumbs, and sour cream. Again, this one refreshed my memory of cooking with mushrooms, which I love to do anyway, chopping the vegetables properly, and preparing your own fresh thyme. I was pretty interested in preparing this one because I had never done a 1-pan pasta before. In my time floating from vegan and vegetarian, I've never prepared anything like this. It was not only easy to cook up the vegetables, but to add in the vegetable stock, allow everything to cook up. The most I pulled from my own cupboard was the salt and pepper and the olive oil used in the recipe, but for the most part, everything was provided and fresh by HelloFresh. So I was even able to cook up the pasta really simply ravioli, which was filled with mushrooms, and also create that breadcrumb sauce that goes on the top. Everything, like I said, is going to be prepared in this one pan. So I was really shocked at how easy it was. So I added in the sour cream in the sauce that they sent, added that over, cooked that in really easily, and then simply added on the breadcrumbs and Parmesan. Put it in the oven and allowed it to cook for a little while, and really went by the instructions. And after plating this, I had to taste the leftovers. Y'all, it is so delicious. The last of my meals for this time was the grilled cheese and veggie jumble with a cilantro chimichurri sauce, and I had never made a chimichurri sauce, so I was real excited. This one had about 10 ingredients, including sweet potatoes, tomatoes, garlic, avocado, cumin, onion, cilantro, lime, Thai chili, and grilling cheese. I really liked this one because it had a lot of vegetables in its base, so I prepared the sweet potatoes and even the onions and prepared those specifically for roasting. All I did is put them on a lined tray for baking, and then also poured over just a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper, which again was mainly the only things I used from my own cupboard. From there, I cut all of the tomatoes in half and also chopped up the cilantro to my liking, setting aside a little of the cilantro for a later part of the recipe. And then I just chopped up the peppers and also the garlic, and of course the avocado. I was most excited about the chimichurri sauce, and it was simple. So I added cumin to a little of the cilantro, some of the garlic and peppers. I squeezed in a bit of the lime, added a little bit of salt, and then I mixed it up, and it was as simple as that. I took the roasted vegetables out of the oven and set those to the side, and then I cut the grilling cheese in half and cut half of that into large cubes. From there, I just added a little bit of olive oil to the pan and went ahead and spread that around in order to grill the cheese, which I terribly failed at, but that's a testament to HelloFresh because you can mess up and it still is amazing. I layered everything onto 2 plates and squeezed just a little bit of lime juice over top, as well as added the rest of the cilantro, and I mixed that up, and y'all, it is so good. I had to taste this one. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure that you comment, share, and subscribe. Also, check out the HelloFresh links down below, as well as my discount code, and make sure you give them a try. I am sure you will be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Beautiful brown baby doll. Peace. Thanks so much for all the love and support over on my new website. If you haven't already, go ahead and check it out and join me for new ways to interact with me, giveaways and prizes, weekly emails, as well as my free 8-day supernatural video course, which is free when you sign up.